Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching between metric and imperial on Huawei Fit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this on the Huawei Health app, so open up the app on your phone and tap Me in the bottom right corner. Then select Settings. Tap Units. Tap Units again and then tap on Metric or Imperial to choose one. You can also change the temperature unit here by tapping Temperature and then choosing between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.